What excites me the most about Legacy Hall is it was designed day one for connection and collaboration.
The classroom technology at Legacy Hall is different in that it's setting a new standard for classrooms at FSU.
And it's a showstopper. It's amazing how the technology has come together and how the experience for our students and even the community that uses our conference rooms and everything will be cutting edge and state of the art.
So we have a small team of AV professionals that do design, programming, installation, and consulting with various different departments on campus, one of which is the College of Business.
We have a team of about 12 people in the infrastructure group here, and we start from the very beginning of every project. So from working with facilities for design and then actually going out and installing all the equipment and making it work.
The NCT operations team manages all the networks within the buildings at FSU.
I think the unique skills that we bring to the table as a team is a wide breadth of knowledge in the AV industry, just keeping up to date with the latest technologies. It was clear from the very beginning that the business school wanted the next generation AV technology.
We knew going in we wanted it to be the most technologically advanced building on campus.
We ended up installing around 500,000 feet of Cat 6A network cable to about 3,000 locations throughout the building. There's over 200 wireless access points. We also had around 120 card readers for card access.
Within the past year, we decided that we were going to put in a multicast AV over IP system in place, which pretty much doubled the count for Ethernet cables in the building.
We have the next generation in document cameras. We have the next generation AI integrated cameras for lecture capture. What we're trying to strive is trying to automate the technology as much as possible to make it more seamless for the instructor.
We had to partner with ITS to bring to life some of the things that you'll see in Legacy Hall, like proximity cards on the doors, like a video wall in the auditorium. The other one that helps us with our students in particular is using app space on the room reservation system.
Legacy Hall is a perfect example of the broader vision that we're trying to do with technology inside and outside the classroom. The collaboration between ITS and the College of Business has been phenomenal, and we've really looked at, as we built a building, how can we outfit it with the latest technology, the latest networking, the latest capabilities for our students and our faculty to really use the space.
Particularly with ITS, there's so many different groups involved, and if you're missing one piece, nothing's going to work like it's supposed to. So it really takes effort across the whole department.
And teamwork, makes it happen, and through those communications we were able to come up with what we see here.
And Legacy Hall was designed for connection and collaboration, and in order for that to happen, we had all these spaces that we designed. We needed to have a technologically integrated system so that we could allow students to reserve and use those spaces.
I am most excited about two things really in our department. One is obviously these kind of projects, things that we can really do to move the needle with the technology capabilities. But the second thing is creating a talent pipeline and helping our students get real hands-on success for what they want to do inside and outside the classroom.